Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. It is a cold, wet, rainy weekend, and not much is happening outside in the garden. So, today was a good day to get caught up on some housework. Of course, rainy days, that's what rainy days are for, right? For gardeners to get caught up on their housework. So, today was a day of laundry, and I made some banana bread and some spaghetti sauce and just finished baking a spaghetti squash. Also, what rainy days are good for is getting some work done with our indoor plants. And here we have Pearl Jade Pothos, and I had picked up 3 of these plants at a at our local nursery when they were having a sale on indoor plants. My mom got a 3D printer for Christmas and she made me this cute little T-Rex chasing people. So this is my little T-Rex garden. But I had picked up these 3 little plants and I've been trying to get them to thicken up. So I picked up this planter at Ollie's. Ollie's has some great ceramic planters at a very affordable price. So if you have an Ollie's near you, then that is the place to go to get ceramic planters. So it's a little tray with 3 little pots. So what I wanted to do today was take my cuttings that have rooted in water and look at those roots. I just wanted to get them in this dirt. I have already saturated this soil with water, and I'm just going to take these and stick them down in the dirt. I've got my little spoon, and I'm just going to make a hole so that these roots can get down in here. And I'm going to just tuck them in, and hopefully I'm going to have to keep this soil moist since they are used to being in water, but hopefully they will take root and I can successfully grow these cuttings in these little pots. So there's 2 of them. And let's see if we can get some more. Look at those roots. Those are some really good roots. I could probably actually cut this one again and root it. But here's a little hole right here. I'm going to dig down in that dirt and just stick these down in this little pot. Make sure the dirt is snug up against those roots. And then we have 3 left. So we will stick those 3 right here in this corner. And those roots, they're so long, they're longer than the stems, which is good. They should have a lot of roots to catch hold of that dirt and grow and bush out. All right. We've got those tucked in and covered up. Now these dry out. These dry out pretty quick, but thankfully Pearl Jade Pothos is a pretty drought tolerant indoor plant. Of course, I guess all pothos are. So I usually water these about twice a month, and I just saturate them in water and then let them dry out again and repeat. I think we could actually use some more soil in this corner. Or I'm going to have to tuck those down a little bit deeper. That might be the answer. A little bit deeper. That's a better idea. Okay. Smooth out that soil. Alrighty. Now, I guess I'll just leave that alone for a little bit. When these get to be a little bit longer, I will trim them back again and try to root some more and let them thicken up that way. Alrighty, that's it for indoor projects today. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you are interested in following along as to what is happening at Mystic Dragonfly Garden, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and of course, for the love of dirt, get outside, experience what nature has to offer. Until next time.